Yeah, now on the show, of course, our job is to make sure we support artists, and that's One Bogo Blay. His song blew on TikTok, right?
Yes,
yeah,
crazy.
Mostly. Yeah, it really got out there. I mean, it was in the streets, but got out there on TikTok. So if you have music, you want to push it, this is the show.
Come on.
We're going to hold you down.
Well, of course, we've got you. Just send us a message, and you never know, you, your best friend, your cousin, whatever, could be on this platform. Now, right now is the time where we give you, well, our rappers, upcoming rappers, underground superstars, the opportunity to showcase what you guys have been doing. And this is Jason's favorite part of the show because he loses
I win all the time.
a lot. Because you do a lot of
I'm not going to like something I lose. I win all the time.
Do you know what? Let's not talk too much. Let's bring them out. Bring them out.
Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Bring them out. 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 Coming live from the VIP.
Okay. I'm liking the vibe today. These ones came swagged out. Okie dokie. This one makes it hard for me, okay? I have to pick. But before we get into that, let me know your name, where you coming from.
And my name is Ananse, the African child, Ananse TAC, and I'm coming from Medina, but I'm representing my hometown, so I'm under DF in the Western North region.
Western.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Interesting.
Yeah, I'm Powers RTB. I'm coming from Kaswa. RTB means respect the brand.
Hey,
This is going to be lit.
This is hard.
You know, sometimes you just have the feeling it's going to be lit.
I know that I'm ready for this one. I feel like there's going to be fire. I'm just going to stay with Mr. Ananse. I got it right?
Yeah.
There we go.
So just in case you're wondering what she means by staying is, whenever we have rappers on the show, she picks an artist. So he's representing you. You're representing
right
him.
now
He's
repping me. Okay?
Yeah, he's repping me. Now, considering the fact that I always win, today's going to be another W for me.
Let's see about
now,
that.
we of course have a judge.
Judge Harati, tell us, what are you looking for today? What are you expecting? Let us know the rules.
Let me get my mean face on.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, so I mean we are looking for creativity, no swear words on the show. Like, I mean, it should bars, of course, you're a rapper. Wordplay, everything you can do. I mean, Chinese stuff, Korean stuff, American stuff, Indian stuff like Drew. I mean, full free. Just let's have fun right here on the show.
Yeah. So 3 rounds. First round, back to back. Show us what you got. Second round, go hard at each other. Third round, I'm going to think of a word and you need to rap with that word as much as possible. Are we ready?
Yeah.
So you guys face each other. Yeah, you're presenting me today.
Let's go. Ananse, do me proud. Hey.
Nancy, let's go.
Yeah. See, they tryna put me down to say Auto Festa, but I'm always a push me pimpinisa. Legend of the seeker, please turn down your speaker. This shit ain't for anybody, bro. This shit is. See, they tryna put me down to say Auto Festa, but I'm always a push me pimpinisa. Legend of the seeker, please turn down your speaker. This shit ain't for anybody, bro. It is deeper. See, I wrote this lyrics with no food in my belly. Do me fun, cause my girl best friend says she's hungry. No hit tongue, yet I see myself at the Grammys. When the only fan I have is hanging on my ceiling. Hope I'm not late already. The future started yesterday, that me share Tom and Jerry. Since I say, my budget name is twin, now you're hairy. About rap, am I get ready? Who gon' pull me on the telly?
Alright.
Hey, the only funny has his
on
own
the
singer.
ceiling.
Come on.
Man,
I like it.
man.
Alright, cool.
Are you ready?
Respect the brand.
Are you ready?
Respect the band. Show us why we should respect it.
This Power Sunday. Students are West music. We don't stop, we don't quit. You are some tea. Bako, I've been doing this for years now. Can they hear my way? But now they cheer me up now. Flow the mad over you. You the run town. Need flow, not bad. Yeah. Give me your ears now. And your passer one try like you dead now. In case it's a roof, you hot, them more they mark black down. Apart from the shoddy, you not listening. The vibe before coming to me. Nanama go Matt Brown. Oh, and your casa keke, you're teaching them about shekete. I double the pressure, I make the boss of the go seke. Them more time come loud. You whom you tuche. Attack you flow na mediaba and the mobile here today. I'm always needed. You can never exclude me. My fans change for organizers. Them not go lose me. People do the cannot they me say you know for see me on your telly. I'm behind the bars. Free me. The by the flow and when you for the say there be that. Yeah, my name Baha Kosobaha or better Yakoma. Them see say I got match in the pipeline. So if them tap make a come out, it never go be well. Ebola. But I'll be
okay. Hold on. Take it easy. Yo.
So boy.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
China never go Mark Brown. Y'all should know that. Yeah, she go Mark out.
That was hard.
She go Mark out.
That was yo, this is I'm liking this one, guys. Okay, cool. Next round, we're gonna come for each other. So respect the brand, you're up first.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Rest it.
Yeah. Studio Southwest music.
1, 2.
This power Sunday. I know be door, I go be door. If them get my keys, no the fear, they scare fear me. You get petrol, no matches, how you feel ben we? Forward be the go, 9 people self no fit 10 we. Think deep, Mr. Man, don't be shallow thinker. Pressure forward, wash your trousers and so wash your boxer. I talk what I fit do, I do way, my fan the World Cup from 2018. And him not say Russia. Damn, where you go bed? What go enter your head? Ebiana ye kasa went to me and just so be prepared. Me so gumu no reverse. I put fire in your verse. You feel Casper not the me say copy in line in your verse. Give me battle I beg, no be any weak soul. Then speed up and stick with the lead them with the tiptoe. Big no to those them figure we go flop. Still they move up, e be corner dey. Can go through. Uflo who feel some okua bi awabo break on foot through. Ogura me some wa sha ye twa with ya sha wa motium. Powers never give up. Me who say me teni kru.
I'm gonna disqualify you. I'm gonna disqualify you for taking more time.
Hold on.
Please.
Wow. I'm saying, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
I know you got this.
Straight up section.
Okay.
Ego sauce. Shout out to Black Wise. Hey. See, me Mr. 1 terabytes could be competitor. Now me bars 207 ever career. They won't burn me like some disc consuming flopeda. Scooby-Doo rappers messing with the Godzilla. It's a me free, me move by, it's me frizzy hell. Night King, White Walker, I'm raising the dead. Keka alphabet whistle like I'm under a spell. No for your door, the block here shine, but still we keep that roll. Me Mr. 1 terabyte into me computer. Now me bars 207 ever career. They won't burn me like some disc consuming flopeda. Scooby-Doo rappers messing with the Godzilla. It's a me free, me move by, it's me frizzy hell. Night King, White Walker, I'm raising the dead. Keka alphabet bustle like I'm under a spell. No for your door, the blockation, but still you keep that bread. If you F with me, my mom have to say bed sheet. Me need time for beefs, I'm always making ends meet.
Okay.
You like that? You like that? This is difficult, man. But I don't want to be in your position right now.
No.
Eesh. Okay, so it's time for me to think of a word. I mean, I've been thinking for a long time. You guys are going to show your freestyling skills. The words that I'm thinking of today, because it's nearly my birthday, is cake. Thank you.
Yeah. Ananse, the African child. Yeah, brother, what will be your name? Hey, see, and then your birthday, but and then maybe my cake. It be Miss June birthday. Guys, how to take. Yo, y'all trying to hate, but then this is just freestyle. It is of my day. Hey, young bro, what's up, y'all? I'm here and you there doing the freestyle, y'all. Miss June birthday, but I they give you cake, honey, and hey, I they serve you on the plate.
You're ruining my birthday. Stop it. Okay, cool. All right, next.
Let's go. Yeah. Big ups to DJ Virus, Miss Drew, Jason. Respect the brand. You assume freestyle. And then I set birthday into me betcha cake. They be also open bread, but he beat me the bake. Aquaway and that me did need the tree from some rake. Set me better than me force. It be God's plan, call me Drake. See how they mess with the words, so be anti me your peda. Bake, na matende on a me did who felt a best said that. When you're level, make me what they are, boy, quada, sunny make us our own tia, clean and make up my shedder. Bake, wait, this guy, he's not awake, he's asleep, he's not awake. Nah, Jehovah Witness, I'm awake. See how I'm blazing with the bass, set the me up, me get it down. Bass Lord in the building, bass, go back to back.
Get out of here, get out.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, man.
Yo.
Is It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Vareski, we're just gonna leave it to you. Don't listen to Jason. But Vareski, what are you saying, please?
He actually just repped his brand.
Oh.
I mean, they are both good, but I mean, Jason has this one. I mean,
when does Jason have this one? Wait, why are you talking like it's a surprise?
Excited because all of you that are listening, all of you that are watching, you already know Drew is usually the constant winner. It's just right now that he's on a win, but it's okay.
What are you talking about?
It's okay.
Bro, that was some fire freestyle.
But let me just say from Ananse, take nothing away from him.
No, it's cool.
Listen, he was really good.
You know one thing I always say? I say there are going to be some rappers who might just get to work with DJ Vareski, and I know he's looking. So you've got your eye on some of these guys, right?
Okay. All right. But Ananse, please let us know your last words and where we can follow you on your journey.
Shout out to everybody that tuned in. Shout out to my people. Shout out to Black Wise. You can check me out on Instagram, Ananse_TAC. Straight Up Session Gang. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah, man.
Beef.
Amazing.
Repping the brand.
Yeah, big shout out to everyone. This was like an unprepared something, but we came and did it. So
This
big
was
shout.
unprepared.
Yeah. We just said it and we just came through. So yeah, big shout out to everyone who support Powers RTB. Just follow me on social media. PAWEZ_RTB. Just follow me. Let's
Love
link
it.
up. Bless up.
Well, now you get the opportunity to perform one of your own personal songs. Are you ready?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
So the winner for today is Powers RTB.
Bless up. Forget it, Winnie Kapa. What be your matter? Okay, I need to know what dance. Masamaka. Forget it, Winnie Kapa. Respect the branch. What be your matter? Okay, I need to know what that. What that. But I'm a choke it. Show the guys in job it. But you mean pop one them in so flow man tishy and choke it. So me come home and stop it. Punch a top and what the men dodge it. I tell you, America who quit is upon fire. What trot it them? You know go fit, brethren. A band of rapper me your burden. Now said the capacity pack of me some with me breaking me a virgin. Always on top, heading, listen when they fat up, I'm heading. Who could probably run in me away? I beg, such different person. We know the joke for this side. Automatic trap in my 10 cups. JJ one never such a yeah, go back as such a lobby Air Force. Line in here, just cross. We shocks the week, get lost. Yes, I become a new band of rapper when the mistake I be the boss lord. Seven joke, never. We don't move forward ever. Come on, come on, papa. Still day high, so many shit about. Beats no forget to channel. But the pen I'm a family tenor. Uber you said, I'm a sada across. But you try to say it's a kaba. You put the less, I would put the like, I would talk. I watch a friend, poor man. So the only time I go be weak in my life is when I go the fast for and dance. So I'll TV to caskets. Them try say for tagging the basket. Them all be like at a flaking numbers. Them all be jokers. We don't mind. If I'm doing messy, it's a
Okay.
Niggas wanna be me, get alive.
Let's go.
Here and now, we on side, you on high. So we don't fight, we don't mind.
1, 2.
If I'm doing messy, it's a vibe. Niggas wanna be me, get alive. Day and night, we on side, shit on high. So we don't fight.
Yes, of course, that was RTB. You really did rep the brand. Don't go anywhere, guys. We'll be right back after this.